This here is 2x2 rib stitch, and what that looks like is knit 2, purl 2, which creates these nice little ridges and bellies in your work. So if you take a closer look, you can see the knit stitches go straight up and down on the needle, whereas purls, they have these little notches up at the top, and that's what you're looking for when you're working. And if you turn it around on the other side, you can see the same thing. There's 2 knits and there's 2 purls where the little straight downers or the notches, and that's because knits and purls are the opposites of each other. If you finish on a purl stitch, your first stitch will always be a knit because it's the opposite. So you knit 2 and then bring your yarn to the front and go through the front of the stitch and purl 2. If you lose track of where you're up to on your work, look at the stitches that are coming up, and do they have 2 little notches underneath them, or does the stitch go straight up and down? If it's up and down, you'll be knitting into it, or if it's got a little notch, then you'll be purling. If your pattern says 1x1 rib stitch, then it's knit 1, purl 1.